Hello, everyone. You're most welcome on my YouTube channel. Today is my ninth day of English speaking challenge. As you know, these days I'm creating solo videos to become comfortable and confident speaking in front of camera. I created a lot of conversations in the past, but these days I want to focus on solo content creation skills. So today is ninth day of my English speaking challenge, and today I'm going to talk about my college life. As I told you about my school life in previous videos, that I passed my 12th standard in 2019. Then I thought of preparing for university's entrance exam. So I filled three exams. I would say filled three forms of the universities: Delhi University, second Banaras Hindu University, and third Allahabad University. So I wrote and then I started preparing for all these entrance exams. I came to Kanpur. I was living here with one of my friends and I was preparing for those exams. For Delhi University, I didn't have to write any exam. It was on merit basis. Okay. But unfortunately, my parents denied for counseling of Delhi University. So I couldn't go for it. But I prepared for two universities, Banaras Hindu University and Allahabad University. I wrote exams for both, and I went for the counseling of Allahabad University. I was selected there, but unfortunately, when I had seen the environment, it was quite political. From the first day onwards, I was able to understand it was quite political there. So I thought of not joining that, and I was waiting for my result of Banaras Hindu University. I got my result. Somehow I was passed. I can say that. But unfortunately, I was not able to make it happen to the main campus of BHU. So I got admission in South Campus, and one of my friends with whom I was living and preparing for this exam, he got admission in main campus. Basically, he was preparing for BA entrance exam, and I was preparing for the BCom entrance exam. So actually, I got admission in South Campus, and he got admission in main campus. First, I thought let me check the distance of all these two campuses. I thought like it would be hardly 10 kilometers or 20 kilometers. So it would be okay. We would be able to live together, but I would go to South Campus and he would go to North Campus. Not North Campus, sorry, main campus. But when I checked out the distance, I realized that the South Campus of BHU is located in another districts of Uttar Pradesh. Basically, main campus is situated in Banaras. But when it comes to the South Campus, it is located in Mirzapur district of Uttar Pradesh. And the distance from main campus to South Campus is around 70 kilometers, which broke my heart. When I came to know this, I was not really happy. And I was not able to make a decision, and I was just waiting for upgrade. Actually, I would say they said like you have to wait if you want to get admission in main campus. Maybe it can just be upgraded. I kept waiting for some time, but my parents they said no, you should go for it. Otherwise, maybe you would lose the chance from South Campus as well. So even though I was not confident enough to wait for a very long time, and then I decided to go for South Campus. And I went there for the counseling and I paid fee. And then I went there, South Campus, Mirzapur. So that is named as RGSC, Rajiv Gandhi South Campus. This is the South Campus of Banaras Hindu University. I think many of you wouldn't be aware of it. So please listen carefully. Even though I was not aware about it before filling this exam, just, entrance exam, I would say, before filling this form, I was not aware of it. But then I thought it's okay because three of my friends who were not just, with whom I was living, what I wanted to study with him. But three of my friends from my school friends, they got admission in South Campus. So I was not that worried. I was feeling okay, but I was disappointed a bit because I wanted to study in main campus. Okay. But I couldn't make it happen due to the low scores or lower rank. That's what I can say. Then I went there. I was happy at least that I got admission in university. I wanted to go out of my city. I didn't want to stay and I didn't want to study in Kanpur or my hometown. It was my goal to go out for a bigger university. And I went there. It was nice because I didn't feel strange because already my friends were there. But I found it completely different from the main campus. And absolutely it is. Campus is huge, but actually, you know about Mirzapur. And the main campus is located in Banaras. So the whole different location. It's not a prime location. It is not in city area. So if you want to go at night, it is difficult for you to find general transport or the public transport there. That is the situation of South Campus. But it's a green campus full of greenery, a lot of trees. It's like more over a forest, I would say. A lot of land is there and good lecture theaters and new buildings. That's what I would appreciate. And I started studying there. And I was studying and I used to study every single day. I wanted to get good marks. I wanted to do well. But after one semester, I wrote my first semester and I performed good. And I wouldn't say like I performed really well, but it was okay due to some reasons. Like I would say, not ragging, I would say, but there used to be the fight between two courses like BVOC and BCom. So I was in BCom and some students from other courses. There was a kind of l- what I would say. It is a kind of thing which has been going on for a long time there. So this also the senior used to tell us this and that, but I was not able to understand this stuff. I wanted to focus on my studies, but unfortunately, I had to go through all those things. But I studied that semester. I was not able to enjoy this very much because my expectations were a lot higher than the campus I got. But yeah, but I used to visit main campus because if you study in South Campus or BHU, you study there, but all official works you just you have to go to main campus for that. And I had to do that as well. But after one semester, what happened? It was 2020. I came back to my hometown due to Holi, this festival Holi. And then later we got a notification that we had to stay at home due to this COVID-19. And that was my college life. It was not very long. I went there in August 2019. August 2019, yes. And then I came back in approximately like as far as I remember the just exact date on 6th March 2020. That's it. That was my college life. And then after this semester, I studied completely online. I wrote 5 semesters online. So I was not able to enjoy a lot of college life, I would say. But it was a great experience being there. And I feel proud being a student of Banaras Hindu University. And then I was back at home. And that's how from there, my spoken English journey started. That's what I can say. It was a golden opportunity for me to work on something else. That's what I did. So that's all about my college life. But I was really happy that I was able to make it happen. I was studying out of the town. I was the part of one of the famous and the prominent universities of my country. So that's how it was. So that's what I can say. But I didn't experience a lot of things there. I enjoyed being there for 5 to 6 months. Great experience, great teachers, great campus, good students, people from other states too. Because when I was studying in my school, people were from one single district. But when I went to that university, I was able to just get my friends from other states too. Bihar, Jharkhand, Rajasthan, all these states, mainly North Indians, I would say. So that's how my experience was, and my friends were also there, so I didn't feel strange a lot. I used to enjoy with them, and then I used to study. but I studied there for only 6 to 7 months, not more than that. I enjoy taking part in music as well, and great experience. But unfortunately, I didn't get opportunity to stay there for 3 years, and I was back at home. So that's all about my college life. And thank you so much. Very, very thanks to you guys for your support. And I want to suggest you guys that if you want to improve your English, try to take a challenge and start creating videos. Then every single day you are going to become better at speaking. That's what I can say. That's it for today. Thank you so much. Many, many thanks to you for your support. Bye bye. Take care.